Hey everyone, just want to welcome you all back. This is Tony with Everyday Stuff and Things. Back up on the mountain here, overlooking the valley, Nova Scotia. Awesome view up at the Joe Roofing place. Just wanted to show you a little bit about what I've been doing today. This new addition that they just built is all ready. Showed it to you in my last video, and just wanted to give you a little update on what I had to do. I had to put all the new white metal starter strip on. Ice and water seal at the bottom. Tie back. Installed new laminate shingles. Tie into the main roof at the top. Had to go along, pull out all the nails so I can slide the other shingles all up underneath. But anyway, yeah. And of course, laminate shingles go on in the step pattern all the way up the roof until you get your gables done. See, all nice new step flashings. Joins both sides. Just wanted to just give you a quick update on what I've been doing. I don't only do roofing. This is my daily job. The guys just cut out a window there for the side. Should have did it before because he chopped up some of the step flashings, but anyway, it's all done now. So anyway, just wanted to, like I said, give you an update. Anyway, I'd like to thank everybody for watching, liking, subscribing. I really appreciate it. And I'll leave you right there for now, and I'll give you an update when it's all done, show you what it looks like when it's all finished and this stuff's all covered up. Anyway, that'll do it for there, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.